Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you should do before the fairy ring appears. So basically, the fairy ring appears, so it's like a portal to the fairy world, and it appears 30 minutes after the fairy event. I think it says, what's the fairy ring? And it says the fairy ring appears 30 minutes after the fairies. So basically I'm just going to catch more fairies. Again, to catch fairies, it is a little bit easier if you do it here. As you can see, they spawn and go back here, so you can just collect them when they're going back if you don't want to collect them going out, because they do spread glimmering mutation to your plants. You can wait for them to come back, but I don't really need them. I think all of my plants are now, they have like the glimmering mutation, plus I have the like glimmering sprite pet. I don't remember the pet's name. I haven't played this game in a while, long time. But obviously you're going to want to go around as well to collect fairies. You don't have to just stand here. So like there's a fairy right there behind the seed shop. I am going to collect that. So make sure you up your fairies and just catch a lot of them, because they are useful. They're kind of like a currency in the fairy world. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.